Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the property address and any parcel details you already have. This saves guesses later. Open Google Maps on a desktop browser because satellite imagery and right-click tools are easier there. Once done, switch to satellite view and zoom in until individual lot lines or fences are visible. Make sure to pan slowly so you recognize landmarks. Now position the map cursor over the parcel you want. That cursor location will be the basis for extracting survey or parcel ID data from linked resources. Once you have the parcel centered, right-click and choose what's here. To display latitude and longitude, copy those coordinates. Then, use those coordinates as a search key in the county GIS or assessor website because Google Maps itself rarely displays official survey numbers. Make sure to compare the parcel outline on the county map with Google's satellite view so you're looking at the exact lot. If the shapes match, the county record usually lists the survey number, parcel ID, or legal description you need. Finally, open the county property page that matched your coordinates and read the detailed record for a survey number, legal description, or parcel ID. That's your definitive identifier. If multiple nearby parcels appear similar, confirm by owner name, street address, or acreage to avoid errors. If you don't find the survey number, make sure you cleared browser cache and try a different browser or use the county GIS help tools. When all else fails, contact the county assessor or recorder with coordinates. They can point to the exact survey record.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.